he's just scooping and scooping.
Handsome, eligible bachelor.
And then they've given us some borhani.
Patil.
Patil.
Fata fati.
Fata fati. Oh, and he's taking a big
These are
scoop.
fried.
It looks sexy. Yeah, I said it.
I had an amazing time with you. You are such a sport.
Look at those giant pieces of aloo. The Zoltan is trying to make me fat.
No.
And now on to the last meal at, like I said, it's a very controversial restaurant, but it's also a very popular restaurant because a ton of my followers told me I got to go to that place. Zoltan, do you want to tell us what the rumors are?
Basically, there was this rumor that, you know, maybe they are not using mutton or beef and they're using something else. Some
other kind of animal, apparently.
Right.
Okay, my personal thought is I think it's very hurtful and dangerous and harmful to spread rumors about any business.
Yeah.
I heard the rumors. I didn't believe the rumors because a lot of times rival business owners, competitors, will make up lies about one of their rival businesses.
And that was the case for their case as well.
That was the case. Do we know who made up the rumors?
No, we don't know that.
Okay, we don't know who made it up, but whatever. Rumors or not, I don't care. I'm pretty sure the food here is gonna be amazing because so many of you guys told me it's gonna be amazing, and Zoltan says it's very good as well.
It's very good.
Locked and loaded. Sultan's Dine. Let's go. Assalamu alaikum. Sultan's Dine. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty fancy. Yeah. Digging it. They're actually gonna let us. Whoa, is that it? Is that it? Oh my gosh, that looks so big. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. That is the most massive plate of biryani I've ever seen in my life. Look at those giant pieces of aloo, the potato on there. That looks banging. Whoa, wow. They're cooking it up. Yeah. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Wow, look at these massive. What are these made out of, metal?
Yes.
What is the name for these in Bengali?
Patil.
Patil.
Patil, yes. This
Patil.
is a patil.
Oh, let's open it up and let's see what we got. Dechki.
Yes.
Whoa. Okay, I've never seen biryani like that in my life.
Kacchi Biryani.
The smell, the flavors.
This is so good.
That is an intoxicating smell. I've never smelled biryani like that. Look at the reds, the oranges, the yellows. I think there might be some onion in there, the translucent cooked onions. This looks amazing. Besta, is that?
Beresta.
Onions?
Yes.
Oh, and he's taking a big
These
scoop.
are fried onions, right? So beresta.
Wow. What is that darker stuff on there? Is that?
Jafrani, color to Jafrani.
What is that? Oh,
Saffron.
saffron. Oh, wow.
In Bangla, we say Jaffran.
Jaffran.
Right.
Jaffran, one of the most expensive spices in the world.
Right.
Look at the steam coming off this. This is insane. And he's scooping. Oh, those flavors have been cooking in there for so long. Here, this is like the bread that they use to like insulate it, right?
Yeah.
Wow. The smell is so incredible. Look at that. Oh, what an expert. He just took that plate and bam! Threw it on there. This is going to be incredible. Oh my word. And he's just scooping and scooping and scooping. I love how they put it in this like metal box. Very, very funny actually. Just scoop it in the metal box. Oh my gosh. And very hygienic place. As you can see, they got gloves, they got hair nets. I got hair nets. This looks insane. It's gonna be Ancho Mojo. Anchi Mojo?
Onek moja.
Onek Moja.
Onek
Moja. Wow. Look at that. Oh, and a
Your
big piece of
potatoes.
aloo. Yeah, the aloo at the bottom.
Right.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
Look at
It's
that.
so juicy. Look at the pieces
That
of
is
mutton.
mutton.
That's the mutton.
Right.
Wow. This looks, oh wow, the lens is fogging up. We gotta take a step back. We gotta hit it with that t-shirt. Wow. That's insane. Look at how rich it looks. The different colors, the yellows, the oranges, the reds. And is that some bay leaf, or what am I looking at right there?
Yeah.
Wow.
You have cardamom, bay leaf, and whatnot.
Wow.
Kacchi Biryani is like filled up with spices. So many spices they use over here.
I'm losing my mind. This looks so good. This has the potential to be one of the best biryanis I've had in Bangladesh, and maybe one of the best biryanis ever. It looks sexy. Yeah, I said it. It looks so sexy. Doesn't it look sexy?
I guess so.
The main events have arrived.
Okay, so I'll serve you.
Okay, thank you. Just an insane amount of food that has been presented in front of us here. So this is the mutton Kacchi Biryani.
and I'll give you aloo.
Aloo, a little potato in there.
Have aloo, mutton, and rice together.
Okay, in one bite? Not in one bite.
You sure? No
Okay. Oh, if I can. Okay. And then they've given us some
You want me
borhani.
to give you more rice?
No, I think we're okay for now. The Zoltan is trying to make me fat.
No, one day eating won't really make you fat.
They've seen the videos. I've been eating like a maniac every day.
Hands.
Ah, yes. Sorry.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I taught you. Remember how to eat?
Yes. Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna do the same
Yes,
thing.
all
I'm
quick, do
gonna
that.
separate
Yes.
that. I'm gonna. Ow! It's so hot. I'm gonna grab some of the potato. I'm gonna grab some of the
Let me take-
mutton. Oh, and the mutton just falls off the bone right there. That was
It's
insane.
so soft, right?
So soft, so tender, so
Juicy.
succulent. We got all the ingredients. Pow.
আমি
Wow.
এখনো নিয়ে শেষ করতে পারলাম না
Wow.
সে অলরেডি খেয়ে ফেলছে এক লোকমা।
Wow. Wow.
How is it?
Wow. 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 I've never had a biryani like that. It's very
How many
like
times did you say wow?
a 13, I think.
It was that
A
good?
13 count of
It
wow.
was that good?
Very unexpected. The potato adds like such a creamy
I know, right? That's
element
why I
to
gave you
it.
potato.
Good call with the potato. The flavor on the mutton, the spices that they've used and the seasonings, it's incredible. This mutton is like, as you can see, like fall off the bone, tender, just so insanely good. It's way more like creamy all around than I expected.
Like Sultan's Diner Kacchi is always very good. Like whenever you have it, it's like my personal favorite.
It's very good meat.
Right. Onek moja,
Anek moja.
moja.
The cook moja.
fata fati.
Fata fati.
Right.
Fata fati. The rumors were clearly a lie because this is like legit delicious
Exactly.
mutton. The rice is super tender, really fluffy rice.
Okay, why
trying
don't
to
you
get
say
better.
that Bangladeshi খাবার আমি অনেক ভালোবাসি?
But is it, huh?
Bangladeshi খাবার
Bangladeshi kabar?
আমি
Ami?
অনেক ভালোবাসি.
Anek palo baji.
Any idea what does that mean?
The Bangladeshi food is very delicious.
I love Bangladeshi food.
I love Bangladeshi food.
Oh, by the way, for
It took
all
me
the girls
60 days
out
to learn
there,
that.
Brent just told me that he's looking for a girlfriend from this country. So you know,
A
if
wife,
you're
not just a girlfriend. They
wa-
want to get married.
Wife, he wanna get married here. Anyway, so if you're interested in this handsome, eligible bachelor
Oh my gosh.
in the town, or more of a US citizen.
Do you have a
hi.
sister, Zoltan?
Yes, I have a sister.
Is her name Multan?
Her name is Logetta.
Lagetta. Ooh, that sounds nice. Where's she?
Anyways, she's at home.
She's single?
Yeah.
Let's go meet her after.
ভাই আমি অন্য মেয়ের সেটিং করতে আসছি
Next up, we got Jolly Kebab, not to be confused with Chapli Kebab, which is very popular in. The cameraman isn't this okay? I think that's very funny. Not to be confused with the Chapli Kebab in Pakistan. So again, I'm eating it with my hand. I'm breaking it off, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going in straight. I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
go like
yeah,
this.
sure.
Oh, it looks like we've got maybe some. Are those green chilies?
Green
in there?
chilies, you have coriander,
Pow.
onion,
Very good. It's like a drier kebab.
mashed beef.
It's not super spicy, even though you've got the green chilies in there. It's a very savory. Wow, very like aromatic, fragrant taste coming from it. I like that. It's a very light kebab. It's not too oily. It's not. It's nice. Unexpected. That's got a really unique flavor to it. I think it's like all the different spices and herbs that they
can
use
you
in
see
there.
there's a coating outside?
Uh-huh.
Any idea what is this coating made of?
Breadcrumbs?
Egg.
Egg!
Yes.
No
They
way!
basically coat it in egg and then they deep fry it. I don't know whether you realize it now, but there's a bit sweet taste as well.
Yes! Yeah, I was gonna be like, why is it sweet? That's not from the egg. The eggs adding like
No, it's
a
sweet
savory
maybe because
outside
of the
on it, too.
onion they use. Maybe it's sweet because of
This is
that.
insanely good. Like, what?
So the outer portion is egg and inside it's all mashed beef.
That is good.
I know, right?
That's unexpectedly good. Nice. Okay, and this is the roast.
Yes.
Okay, what is this? Beef or more mutton?
No, this is chicken.
Chicken. Oh, okay. Wow, look at that. That's a beautiful piece of chicken. We're gonna go straight in.
Yeah.
No rice, no fingers, just pow. I didn't get a lot of meat that time. Oh, that gravy though. Wow. It's spicy, but it's a very like hearty spice. Like, wow. Juicy and tender. The gravy is something special. There's a little bit of acidity in it too, a little bit of sourness. I really like that. Not too spicy, It's very smoky.
By
That's
the way, you
good.
have improved. Look,
That's
look
really,
at
really
your
good.
plate. It's better this time. It's
She
more
was making fun of
clean.
my plate being so dirty before. Baby steps. Baby steps, guys. Getting
Right.
better and better and better. And then we're gonna chase down with some borhani.
Borhani.
This one looks a little more green than I've had.
Yeah, cheers.
The other ones I've had have been kind of like yogurt color. Pow. It's so funky. It's so
It's
good.
sweet.
It's spicy.
Right.
Sweet.
Spicy, perfect mixture of all
It's a
the
little
spices.
salty in there. You've never, if you're from America, you've never had anything like borhani. It's good.
like it?
I do like it. I do
It's
like
so
it.
good.
It apparently helps the food digest too. Beef gravy time now.
Right.
Oh wow, that looks so good.
Look at the
Look
pieces.
at the oil coming off that.
This.
Big giant chunks.
This makes it more tasty.
More tasty. What makes it more tasty? It all looks so tasty. The food in Bangladesh can't get any more tastier, y'all. Oh, with bones. A lot of bones on here. Pow.
Let me try the beef as well.
It's a very like mild flavor. It's not like it's very
not that spicy,
very
I guess.
tender, very juicy again. But yeah, it doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's like a very like basic salty gravy.
They used yogurt here.
That's why it's a little more creamy, huh? Okay. I like it. It's very good. It is missing that like flavor punch that a lot of the other foods we've had today have tried. That might be one of my least favorite bites. I like it. It's still good. It's just missing that.
But it's not
Kick.
that flavorful.
Not that flavorful.
It has a light taste. Because
But the
they
meat is
used
good.
yogurt.
The meat is really good. Ah! It does not stop. Just an insane food parade. A parade of delicious foods today. This is the mutton tahari. And I'm gonna go out on a limb. I'm gonna say tahari has a few less spices than biryani.
Biryani, Kacchi Biryani, right.
And this is the mutton.
Yes.
Okay, and then what else are we working with in there from like the spices and
Yes, once you eat, you'll understand it better.
okay, perfect. Well, we'll get to eating right now.
Yeah.
We'll not waste another single second. And let me just say thank you so much. This has been such a special day.
Oh,
they brought me
thank
to
you.
3 different restaurants. Zoltan, you were one of the nicest, sweetest
Oh,
people that I
sweet,
met in
thank you.
Bangladesh. Everyone obviously follow her. I can't wait to, well, I'm gonna have to translate your vlogs because they're all in Bengali.
Yeah, right.
But I can tell by your face that the food is good in the videos. That's all that matters.
Okay, so let's get started with
Let's
the
do it.
mutton tahari.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and
Okay.
grab it just like this.
Yeah, sure.
Yep. And I'm gonna get a
Take it.
big
Right.
scoop of that. And is this like the same rice as this? But I mean, obviously.
No, oh wait, this is basmati kacchi.
Basmati
Yes.
rice. Okay.
Basmati rice.
And what kind is this?
Chinigura.
Chinigura.
Right.
Chinigura.
And chinigura is like, it is much more tasty than basmati rice.
Really?
More flavorful, and chinigura is like, it adds more flavor to whatever you're cooking.
With the basmati rice, you need to add the extra seasonings and flavors to make it more tasty. But this rice, the tahari rice, has a more natural flavor to it.
No, yeah, kind of. But you know, when you're making kacchi, you can also use chinigura chal to make kacchi.
Ah, okay. Chinigura chata.
Chal.
Chal. Chinigura chal.
Rice, Bangla is chal.
So these grains are a little shorter.
Right,
They're a little
than that
smaller
one.
than the
Right.
basmati rice. Okay, so we're gonna
But these
get.
are more expensive. Basmati chal is more expensive. Than
Is it imported or because it's longer? Is that why
Yes,
it's more
yes, it's
expensive?
imported.
You're paying by the
Oh,
centimeter.
you're taking cardamom? Yes.
Oh, we don't want the cardamom.
Yes.
We're gonna take some of the mutton and some of the rice.
Rice.
How? Very good. Very. It's a much more like neutral flavor. No spice at all. Pretty much no flavor of spice. So the mutton is cooked with the
Altogether,
rice. And it's not as oily, it's not as greasy as some of the other like beefs and muttons that we've had. It's a very dry mutton.
Yes, it's dry.
The
The
rice-
rice is also dry.
And the rice is just as tender, just as fluffy. There's kind of like a buttery element to it as well. I can't really describe it. They're so distinctly
Sultan's
different.
Diner, mutton তেহারিটা আসলে খুবই ভালো, right? It's very good.
It's very good. I really liked it. I still think that I like biryani more just because I like spice. I like all the different flavors.
Right, but people
But
who prefer less spice, they would like it.
they would like this a lot more. This is my father would like this one a lot more because it's less
So
spicy.
take some for your dad.
Yeah, right. Ship it back. I'll be back home in about 3 months, Papa. I'm not sure how long the rice is gonna last. They're asking me if I want to eat more. I'm like, I cannot fit one more grain of rice in my stomach. I'm going to pop.
Okay, so now we are going to have jorda.
Jorda.
Okay, remember the rice you had in tehari? The same
Yes.
rice is used here.
The same type,
Chinigura
the
rice.
short grain, chiriguri, okay?
এটা বাসমতি
ওইটা বাসমতি? Oh, আচ্ছা, no, this is basmati. Okay, but they used color.
Oh, so they
Chota
colored the
color.
basmati.
Yes, they
Okay.
used food color.
Is this a raisin?
No, it's a sweet.
Oh, it's sweet. It looks like a
Raisins
little
are not
gulab
that
jamun.
big. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, so we'll
okay.
have it with the sweet and rice, everything together.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Pow. Oh. It is like a little teeny tiny gulab jamun. That's nice. The rice is good. It's tender. It's soft. It's got a nice. It's very moist. It's a very moist dessert. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. I like it. It's got like a. It's almost like a carrot flavor in here too. I don't think it's carrot, but
But এক piece মিষ্টি দিছে কেন?
nice.
আর 2-3 piece মিষ্টি দিত।
a little cinnamon maybe.
Yeah.
I like this. Yeah, this is pretty tasty. And that's that. Zoltan just reapplied her makeup, so she's
Yeah.
looking extra fresh for the outro.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for such a special day.
I had an amazing time with you. You were such a sport. You were so friendly and so cooperative. He paid me to say all this.
They know I have no money. They know I can't pay anybody to say
look who's
anything.
talking.
Thank you so much for everything. These were truly like some of the best meals we had today.
Right.
I had today after 60 days in Bangladesh. So much love to you.
I'm glad that you thoroughly enjoyed everything.
I did. I truly did. I don't even have the words. I'm so full. I'm gonna go sleep for like 12 hours and probably use the bathroom for 3. It was so good.
Great, thank you.
My name's Brent Timm. This is Zoltan.
Islam from Zoltan BD.
And we're saying, do you know the outro?
Ciao
for now.
Ciao for
Ciao
now.
for now.
Ciao for now.
Thank you. You're so sweet.